Get ready to revolutionize your cleanup game with AP Container Inc., your ultimate destination for dumpster rental in Scranton, Pennsylvania. Meet the real heroes of waste management. We're not just about dumpsters but about making your cleanup dreams a reality. Our team? They're not just professionals, they're your cleanup allies. Quick, efficient, and ready to roll up their sleeves to make your space sparkle. But don't just take our word for it. Our customers love us. Whether it's a home project, construction site, or community event, AP Container Inc. has got you covered. And here's the best part. Ordering a dumpster is as easy as a stroll through the park. Visit our website, choose your size, and let the cleanup magic begin. When the cleanup curtain falls, we swoop in like Scranton superheroes, leaving you with a spotless space and a smile. Ready to level up your cleanup game, Scranton? Call AP Container Inc. at 570-209-8600 or visit our website at apcontainer.com. AP Container Inc., where every cleanup is a Scranton success story.